Okay, here's the C240 dual charger. There's a lithium battery and only the XT60 is connected. And let's see, discharge. I will only start it, I will not completely discharge it. So program select lithium battery, go forward. It's already on discharge, but you can use the left and right keys. Charge, fast charge, storage, and go to discharge. Okay, lithium battery, lithium polymer, because you have others also. Lithium polymer, 500 milliamps. Okay, it's a 4-cell battery. Now press and hold. It detected a 4-cell battery, and it is a 4-cell battery, and confirm it. So you don't need that plug just to discharge it.